Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to talk to you about this hair that I am wearing on my head right now. If you guys are interested in hearing more about that, go ahead and stick around and give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. So today, like I said, I'm going to be talking about this unit that I'm wearing right now. So if you guys have been following me on YouTube, subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that some years ago I did a review on this hair, and I love this hair just as much as I loved it when I first got it back in 2018. Yes, 2018. How many years ago was that? Was that like, ugh, was that like 6 years? Oh my gosh, that was so long ago. But yeah, I wanted to come back and give you guys an update on this hair. I was inspired to do so because a couple weeks ago I attended the Charleston Natural Hair Expo. I uploaded a few shorts about the expo and the brunch that was on that Sunday. And yeah, at the expo and the brunch I received so many compliments on this hair. Some people actually thought it was my own natural hair, and I just had to kindly say no, it's not my hair. And everybody just loved this wig, and I am still in love with it. So just to give you guys a little bit of information about this hair, this is the Something About Mary unit from HerGivenHair. I'll link it down below, as well as the video that I did back in 2018. So just like when I first received the hair, I still love the texture of this unit. I love how thick it is. It does shed a little bit, but I don't mind the shedding because it's not a whole lot. This hair is so thick that you won't even miss the hair that's coming out. And I'm going to show you guys. I have the hair because I went through and I applied some product to this side of my hair just to get it kind of defined before the video filming. But this is all the hair that I got out of it. This is all the hair. So I know you guys are probably wondering, how often does she wear this hair? How is she able to keep it up so well all these years? So I store my wigs in like a gallon-sized freezer bag, Ziploc bag, and I put the hair in there, and then I put it in a container in my closet. That way, like dust and all that stuff doesn't get to the hair. I try to make sure that after I apply product on the hair, whenever I go back to the hair, I try to give it a good wash and deep condition because this is human hair. I don't wear this hair weeks on end when I wear it. I only wear it in the cold months because this is a lot of hair. This isn't something I would typically wear in the summer months, even though it's so beautiful and it will look so good. I get very hot sometimes wearing wigs and stuff, so I typically save like these big type units for the winter time. So like I said, I don't wear it for weeks on end, but when I do wear it, I wear it for like a week or two at a time, or on the weekends for when I'm feeling lazy with my own hair. I just throw this on, put a little product on it to define the curls, and it's easy as that. So this wig does come with a 4x4 lace right here, and I kind of have the wig pushed back on my hairline. It's a lace front, but I have it pushed back so that it can blend and nobody notices. Like underneath my hair is basically pulled back into a low ponytail with a bun with my hair, and you can't tell. This is what the back of the hair looks like. And that's just what works for me. It comes with two combs right here and then a comb right in the middle bottom part right here. I don't typically use the combs because I don't like sticking those in my hair. It causes breakage. So what I do, there is an adjustable strap in the back. I kind of pull those across each other and hook them in, and that makes my wig tight enough to where I feel comfortable where it won't come off. Or sometimes I use like a wig grip band and I put that on my hair, and then I put this on and my wig stays in place for the time being. Just some other things about this hair, like products I've been using on it. When I first filmed a video about this hair, I used Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, and that's a gel. And I don't recommend you using a gel because sometimes gels can be a little bit too heavy. Now, a product that I have come across in prior years is the Mousse Def Texture Foam. Mousse Def. The Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam. This product works amazing on my own hair, so I figured why not try it on this unit, and it works great. It's really good too because when I put it on this hair, like especially like on days when you're on the go and you need something quick and you feel like the hair is too frizzy, this right here is going to define the curls for you. What I do is wet the hair a little bit. I don't get it soaking wet, but I wet the hair a little bit and then I apply some of the mousse on the hair, and it dries really fast. It does the same for my own hair, so I wasn't shocked that it did it for this hair too. So yeah, that's what I do to define these curls, and my hair has been holding up very nicely. Some cons that I have not liked about this hair over time: right in the top part, there's some pieces that are a little bit shorter, like right here. I did not do that. The hair came like that, but yeah, and they tend to be like the flyaways. So how I tame those, I just put a little bit of the mousse on top, and when it dries, like the hair does not fly anywhere. But that's just one thing I don't like. And of course with curly hair, the hair is going to get frizzy, but the product kind of tames some of that frizz. And when I apply the product, I don't use a tool or anything, so that's how I've been able to keep this hair up too. I haven't been like real rough with it, going through it with a brush. I just use my fingers to kind of rake the product through, and I'm just very gentle with it, treating it like my own hair basically. So yeah, that's how I've been able to keep the hair up. The ends do get frizzy, just as natural hair would, but that's just what comes with it, guys. This hair is 14, 16, and 18 inches. It frames my face perfectly. It's just like the perfect amount of layers, so I didn't have to go in and do any extra cutting since I've had this wig. Yeah, it's just held up really nicely. It's a great buy if you are looking for something to have in your stash of wigs, something that you can go to whenever you're going for like a certain look. The hair holds up nicely, and I will leave a link for it down in the description box so that you guys can check it out yourself, as well as the video that I filmed initially for this hair, if you guys are interested in seeing that. But let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this hair? Does it fit me? Is it me? Let me know. Does it look natural? This is the coily texture as well, so yeah, just so you know, coily texture. They have a few different textures that you can choose from, but this is the coily texture. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.